Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Hey, another great episode, and guess what? Another great episode with Chef Natalie, my daughter. That's right. Natalie, what are we doing today?
We're making Cucina cookies.
Oh, that's Sicilian, right?
Yeah.
Of course, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course it is. All right. So come on in just a little bit. Okay, this is really going to be nice. Okay, these are a traditional cookie. It's a sesame cookie. You've seen them in all the delis. My mother used to make these, and I'm going to tell you something, they were delicious. My Aunt Gracie used to make them. My Aunt Francie used to make them. My grandmother, the whole familia. And we're really happy that you're with us. You're our familia too, right, Nat?
Yes, you
That's
are.
right. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take you around the horn like we usually do. Let's go down and take a look. Okay, we have milk, we have eggs, we have salt, vanilla, baking powder, some sugar, and some extra flour right here, and I'll tell you about that later. And then over here we have the main flour right there. And then over here we have the burro. That's right. It's the butter that goes inside here, okay? All right, so we're going to should we start?
Yep, let's get started.
Here we go. Okay, so right now, if you want to come on in, I'll show you. I'm just going to go ahead and put the butter into the flour. Okay, just like so. We'll put that down. And then we'll go ahead and start to mix it, okay? So easy way to do it is to coat the butter a little bit and then start mashing, okay? Okay, how's that look? Okay, so we put the 1 cube of butter in there, and it's a little crumbly. As you can see, it's a little crumbly. Now it's time to go ahead, and we're going to add all the other ingredients. So I guess the first thing to do is I'm going to make a little bit of a well, what they call a well. Okay. Well, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put some milk in, just like so. Okay. Then we'll put a couple of eggs in there. Oh, baby, look at that. Then we'll put a little salt. Okay. We'll go ahead and add the salt. Then, one of my favorites, the vanilla. Okay, just like so. Then I'm going to add the baking powder right here. Okay, we'll put that in just like so. And then the sugar. Here it is. Okay. And we add the sugar just like that. Oh, that looked really neat going in there, didn't it? That's right. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start mixing it together.
Slowly incorporating.
Slowly incorporating. Here, you know what? You're supposed to be getting here and jumping in here too, not just to sit here and look pretty. So, get to it there, girl. Meantime, I'll go clean her room. No, I won't. Anyway, did you clean your room, by the way?
I did. I made my bed too.
That's unusual. Let me see. Yeah, feels normal. Okay.
Oh, this mixture is looking great.
Looking good,
really
isn't it?
Crumbling.
Yeah.
All the ingredients are getting incorporated.
Yeah.
That well really helps so that you can incorporate slowly.
Right. It's great to have Natalie with us on this. She's going to be joining the show more on a regular basis coming up. So, we'd love you to tune in and check out what she has to offer, because she has a lot to offer, okay?
Okay, Dad, I think it's your turn to jump in here. I'm
Okay.
doing all the work. Come on.
Boy, I'll tell you. Okay. All right, so my hands are washed, by the way. They're nice and clean, and I had a manicure. It's like that, huh? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Come on in.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Ooh, that's a good dough.
I don't even know if we need to add much more flour.
No, I don't either.
Great.
Usually sometimes you have to add a little extra flour to kind of get it together, but I don't think we need it. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks, huh? Look at that.
I want those cookies to be moist.
Okay, we'll get this. I'm gonna give it. You stay here and look at her for a second. I'll be right back. Okay.
We don't need this.
All right, I'm back now. Look at me. Oh, sorry. Okay, so here we go. So what we're gonna do here. You mind getting me the plastic wrap there? Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the bowl, back in the bowl, like so. And we're going to go ahead and cover it. Nicely done. And do you mind placing this in the refrigerator, dear?
Perfect.
Okay, for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Don't go nowhere. You're going to love this when we come back. Okay. The dough has been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes this time. I'm really excited. So let's get Chef Natalie involved in this whole thing. Natalie, you want to grab the dough?
Let's grab the dough. Woohoo! Here it is.
There you go. Okay, gonna go ahead and unveil here. This is exciting, I'll tell you right now. It's exciting. We'll put that over there. Get the dough out. Oh man, it feels great. It feels great. Let me get rid of this. Bring it over here. Okay, well then now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut this into 4 cubes, into balls, and then we're gonna roll them out like rope. And we're both gonna do it. Did you wash your hands?
Of course I washed my hands, Dad. Did you wash yours?
I washed my hands. Okay. Yes, I did. Because I guess it's too late if I didn't. Okay, here we go. He'll put it down right here. I'm going to cut it like so. Like so. Not a bad job, huh? Okay. And then we got 4 parts. You go ahead and roll that. I'll go ahead and roll these. Okay. And let's get to rolling after this, okay? Make sure you get it together, okay? Make sure it's nice and, you know, condensed, I guess. All right, you ready to go here? Mm-hmm. All right, I'm just going to start rolling it out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut them, okay, into like, little sizes here, and then we'll go ahead and mold them, and then we'll bring in the sesame seeds and some water and some parchment paper on the pan. I'm gonna let Natalie jump into that, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut. I'll start here, okay. So we make it a lot easier. And I'm gonna hand them off to you, Nat, okay? I'll put them dip it in a little water. That's all we need. And then then you can do the rolling in the sesame seeds, okay? Sound good? Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. All right, looks pretty good. It's time for the water and the sesame seeds, right?
Yep.
Here we go. Let's bring it on in. Here's our tray. I guess we can see it. Here's your sesame seeds. Here's my water right here. I'll save a space for the water. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of mold it with pressing down a little bit to make like a flat surface on the bottom. They're going to be good no matter what. So do a little dippity-doo there and hand it off to you. Okay, I guess you get the gist of this. You know, we don't have to bore you for this whole assembly line bit, but so don't go anywhere. You're gonna love this. Stay there, and then after this, we're gonna go bake it. Okay, those look delicious. You ready to put them in the oven?
Yes.
What's the temperature?
360 degrees.
For?
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Just about.
She's got all the answers. She did when she was 4 years old, too. Anyway, why don't you grab these, babe, and I'll open the oven for you, and you can go ahead and put them in, okay?
Alrighty.
All right, here we go. Yeah, I'll get the oven for you. Okay. All right, I think we did it, and I can't wait for this to turn out. What, 20 minutes and we're ready to go, right?
20 minutes
All
and
right.
we're ready to go.
All right, don't go anywhere.
All right, we're ready to take them out. Let's grab them. Wow, those look gorgeous. Woo! Can't wait to try one.
Thanks for joining us. Nat, thanks a lot for your help. You always do a great job. From Vito's Italian Cucina, and Natalie Giambalvo. A salute. Ciao for now.
Thanks for joining the family.